Hello, this is HK Laser Training Center. In this time, I will explain how to use nozzle cleaning. To use nozzle cleaning, you must know how to set. Click Function in Work and click Set icon next to nozzle cleaning and NC functions on/off. After entering screen, you can see input position. You don't have to set in first time, because it was initially set, but when nozzle cleaning brush is partially worn out due to many uses, you need to reset. Move head to other part of brush that's still normal and click input position. Then click Yes in Notice to clean nozzle with changed position. To start nozzle cleaning manually, press Manual Nozzle Cleaning and click Yes in Notice to start nozzle cleaning for single time. To start nozzle cleaning automatically, input piercing count and go back to main screen. And click Nozzle Cleaning and NC functions on/off to activate. This function only works while activated. If activated, the head will move after piercing as number of piercing that's set before and nozzle cleaning will be started. If you need auto calibration after nozzle cleaning, click on button to use. Otherwise, click off. Thank you.